Hello, good afternoon. This is Tawanda from Strada Real Estate. I'm here to show you this show apartment located in Prime Business Center in JVC for a project which is going to be in Arjan called Beverly Boulevard by HMB Homes. So as you come in, you've got a smart entry door system. Everything is touchscreen in the property. As you can see, it's a very spacious apartment with high-end finishing, integrated appliances, and this lovely island right in the middle with storage underneath. Just by the door, you've got a little storage and laundry. Very convenient space. The left-hand side, you've got lovely sink with storage and place to put all the stuff on top as well. Nice mirror on the wall. And obviously your guest toilet with a lovely finishing. As you come in the kitchen, you've got Tekka appliances. You've got your microwave, your oven, your stove, storage underneath as well. Very, very high-end quality. And I really like this island as well. So this is your living area. Obviously, when the apartment is delivered, it'll have white walls, but if you wanted this paneling, you can always ask for the number for the interior designer and they can actually do the same finishing that's in here for you. Very spacious apartment. And look at all this wardrobe space. The whole area is wardrobe space. And then come in here. This is your bathroom. And it's split into two. In the middle is your sink with storage. To your left, so obviously your bath with a little niche for storage, and then to your right is your separate toilet, and you've got masses of storage in here as well to put your towels and everything. So everything's been thought of in this property. So if you're interested in this property, please don't hesitate to contact me. My name is Tawanda. Number 0585 722 309. That's 0585 722 309. Please don't hesitate to contact us about this property. Thank you.